one of my subs asked for a tutorial on a Backfull, you know who you are. So here it is. So the first thing you want to do when you do a Backfull is make sure you have your back flips like down. Okay? Like, your back flips need to be solid. Otherwise you won't have that much luck on a Backfull. So yeah, make sure your back flips are solid. And then, see if you can do a backflip without tucking. So like this. And if you can do that, then you can probably do a Backfull. Okay, so first thing that most people get wrong when they're doing a Backfull is they throw to the side like this, or if you twist that way, they throw like this, and you're killing your whole Backfull right there. Instead of throwing to the side, you need to throw over your shoulder, like over your shoulder, and then twist. Okay, so when you do like this, you won't go back, you'll go sideways. You'll go sideways, and it'll look sort of like a B-twist or something like that. So yeah, that's one tip to like fix your Backfull. And then if you're completely new to Backfulls, I'll teach you how to do one right now. So first of all, try to do an Arabian to your back. So it'll look something like this. Right? Arabian to your back. Now, what I just did was I swung like I was doing a normal backflip, and then as soon as I left the ground, I twist. Now, that isn't how I normally do my standing fulls. I typically throw like this or like this. So it really doesn't matter where you start, as long as you take off over your shoulder and twist. Right? So here, I'll do one of those right now. Alright? Now, make sure you have those down. And if you want to feel extra secure, then try and land it. But you don't have to land it. Okay. Now, once you have those down, you want to try to twist a little bit more. Okay? So it'll look something like this. And you're gonna try and land on your side. So it'll look something like this. Okay? And then once you can do that, just full send to Backfull. You won't land it first try, but you will probably get close or land on your knees.